Hi and welcome to Music Prof. This is the second video in our series of free guitar lessons, and as you can see from the caption, it's going to show you more notes to use with the scale that we showed you in the first video. So if you haven't already seen the first video, this would seem to be a good time to go and watch that. If you have seen the first video, we can move straight on. Now, the first thing you need to do, as before, is to get your guitar in tune. And it's best done with a digital tuner, and then you'll be perfectly in tune with a piece of music which is coming later on. So if you need to tune your guitar, pause the video now and start it again when you're in tune. Okay, so in the first video we showed you how to find this note on the 12th fret on the first string and to use these notes which followed on from it. We're now going to add these extra notes into the scale. Okay, so let's zoom in on those so you can get a better look at them. The red notes are the notes that you learnt in the first video, and the yellow notes are the new notes that we're going to add in. Now, to learn the scale, it's best if you start from the top and just play down the scale to the bottom. So what I want you to do is just watch this first of all, watch as the notes turn green and follow the scale down. Okay, so that's the scale that we learnt before. Now for the new notes. What you need to do now is to practice that scale. Start at the top of the scale and work your way down to the last note. Keep doing this over and over until you really know where those notes are. When you think you know where they are, try playing the notes, just picking them out in any sort of random order. It's probably a good idea to pause the video while you do this, but when you start it again, we're ready to play along with the piece of music. Okay, so we're ready to try playing along to the piece of music. All you've got to do, as before, is to use those notes, any sort of order, any sort of timing, along with the piece of music. As we did in the first video, I'll play along to the first part, and when I stop, you start playing, take it through to the end of the piece of music. Take it from here. Okay, so there you have it, 2 octaves of a minor pentatonic scale. What you need to do now is to go over that piece of music until it starts to feel easy, until you feel you're getting some fluency into your playing. When you're happy with that, you're ready to move on to the next video, video 3, which will show you the major pentatonic scale. Okay, have fun with your guitar playing, and thanks for looking in.